Nanggaling din sa Iligan City at ganun din umikot dito sa may kinausap din dito sa Cagayan de Oro at tayo ngayon magkakaharap. And I am continuing with my campaign as an aplikante pagkasenador ng ating bansa. At mahalaga para sa isang katulad ko, hindi kandidato kundi Pilipino, abogado at maisog na nakikilala ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino yung mga nag-a-apply sa iba't ibang posisyon sa gobyerno. Senador, kongresista, governor, mayor, city mayor, municipal mayor, all the way hanggang sa mga konsihal ng bayan. Kaya ako naman, minamarapat ko hanggat maaari na kung mayroong sortie at available naman ang ating mga kaibigan katulad ninyo from traditional and new media, ako'y nagpapaanyaya nang sa ganon ay makilala rin ninyo sino ba itong kandidatong ito at mabigyan kayo ng first-hand opportunity dahil yun din naman ang aking layunin at bahagi hindi lamang ng kampanya kundi yung advocacy ko bilang bahagi ng hakbang ng maisog na humihingi ng transparency, accountability, peace and security in government and in governance. I think it's but proper for me to walk our talk and this early submit to that advocacies of transparency, accountability, peace, and security by presenting myself voluntarily to you, our friends from the traditional and new media, and so that you'll be given a first hand to weigh, to measure, to critique, to assess the fitness, not just me, but of all others who are similarly situated, like me, who is your applicant for senator. You have all the right to know about the program, the person, the character of anybody who is seeking to be elected as Senator of the Republic of the Philippines. Why? Again, apart from the advocacy of Hakbang ng Maisog, it is because we must all come into a fundamental understanding of how important this midterm election is. Not just for you, not just for me, but for the collective future of our country, especially for the Filipino youth and the Filipinos that are yet to come. We must all understand what is at stake for the country this midterm election. And I dare say that our country is facing in the wrong direction. And when you are faced in the wrong direction, do not expect to reach your proper destination. But we still have time. We still have time. This is the midterm. We still have 3 years to correct and put in the right direction our country where it should be headed. At kaya ako ay humaharap sa mga katulad ninyo na mga veteranong media practitioner nang sa ganun ay lubusan ninyo kung makilala. Nagpapasukat, nagpapatimbang, nagpapakritiko, nagpapakilala, nagpapakilatis. At lagayan ang lagi kong sinasabi, paulit-ulit, kung sakali na ako ay pasado sa inyong gagamiting panukat, hindi na rin ako mag-aatubiling humingi ng tulong ninyo. Very influential people that you are, I'm not asking you to use your lofty position in this society as members of the Fourth Estate, but rather, if you can help campaign for me in your family, your friends, and your sphere of influence, and I ask that respectfully. So here I am in front of you today. I'm all yours. The table